Honey. And make your nails. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon, Lily.
Good afternoon.
Welcome back to our class. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so we're going to start with our lesson for today. So last Monday, we used this one here, the use of the grammar. Wait, I will move the screen. Can you see the book?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So we practice the use of what can, what she needed, or can if I could. Okay, we finish with that. And then last class, we read a story about Be an Ad Detective. So we are going to review some words here because we didn't finish the story. We only read this one. Yeah, we only read that. Okay, we're just going to review again. What are the 5 advertising techniques? Lily, please read the 5 techniques. So a typical advertising techniques, what is it? Please read. Number 1. What is number 1? Please read what are the 5 advertising techniques. Number 1. Group
pressure.
pressure. Group pressure. One more time. Group pressure.
Group pressure.
No, it's not treasure. It's pressure. Again. Group pressure.
Group pressure.
Yeah, this one.
团体压力
Number 2, association. Number 2,
Um, number 2, X,
association.
association.
Okay, yes. Number 3, number 3,
Number
test
3, testimonials.
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 Number 4, repetition. Number 4, repetition. Again, repetition.
Repetition.
Okay.
重复
Cool. Next, time pressure.
Temperature.
So let's talk about group pressure. So a group
Group,
yeah, I will
group
read it.
pressure.
Group pressure. So group pressure, it means that it is an ad shows lots of young people, each with their own cell phone. So in your group or inside your classroom, does your classmates also have a cell phone like you?
Um,
Your classmates also have a cell phone like you, like the smartphone. Oh, wait, I will write. Does your classmates also have a smartphone like you? This one. You
yes.
see? Yeah, okay. So we call that one group pressure. Okay, so example, your friend or your classmate have a beautiful cell phone, but Lily doesn't have a cell phone. So you tell your mommy that you want a cell phone too because other people or your classmate or friend have a cell phone. We call that one group pressure. Okay? So everyone has a cell phone. So you need one too. Number 2, association.
Uh,
Testimonial. What is association?
um,
Really?
hello, teacher.
Yeah, what is association, really?
What minutes?
What is the meaning of association? Please read. Number 2, you read. Everyone. Everyone.
Everyone, everyone looks happy and healthy in the ad. They are cool and beautiful too. Messaging you by the product, you will be happy. You will be happy like these people.
Okay, thank you. So that is association. If you buy a product, if you buy a thing, you will be happy too. So you will be happy and cool like these people. Number 3 is testimonial. When we say testimonial, because people, example, please, example, Lily is wearing a very nice shoes, and that shoes have a very, very nice quality, very good quality. So other people will buy that shoes too because it's very nice. Okay, that is testimonial. Number 4 is repetition. So repetition, it means you can say it many times. When we say repetition, it means to repeat. Okay, this one.
重复
Repetition, or it means to repeat. You always say it, you always watch it. Number 5 is time pressure. So we have example of time pressure. By now. So now is the time. Do you have a question here?
No.
Question, okay. So next is this one. Please read it. Ads are interesting.
Ads are interesting, but you can make better decisions about what to buy when you know these chickens. Try these tips. Read the product reviews, compare products, test the product in the store, and you are not sure, wait 24 hours before buying. You may decide that you don't really need or want the product.
Okay. So you decide that you don't really need or buy or want that product. Okay, can you see the picture? What can you see? What?
I can see someone is reading the backs.
Okay, so riding bikes. Okay, we call this one extreme sports.
极限运动
Okay, so that is extreme sport. We call this BMX. Okay, so the meaning of, you see there, they are riding the bike, but they use the bike to fly, like this in the picture. You see this one? So the boy is riding the bike, and then the bike will jump in a high place. So we call that one BMXing. Now, let's reread the sentences. Reread the text. Find the techniques used in each ad below. Write the number. 1.
找出每一项中使用的技术，并在下面写下数字。
Okay, so what are the 5 techniques? What are the example of 5 techniques? Okay, write on your paper. Lily, okay, these are the 5 techniques. Group pressure,
Group
association,
pressure, group pressure, action, testatious, repetition, time pressure.
time pressure. So you are going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, remember group pressure, association, testimonial, 4 repetition, 5 time pressure. We have letter A, so 3. So number 3 is, let's look. Number 3 is testimonial. A popular hip-hop singer is advertising some clothes. So it belongs to testimonial. What's next?
What? I don't know.
You are going to choose only where does each sentence belong? Does it belong to group pressure, association, testimonials, repetition, or time pressure? Okay, let's go back.
Number 1 have
Letter B, C, D, E. Okay, let's answer letter C. You hear the name of the product 7 times in 30 seconds ad. What is it? Is it group pressure, association, testimonial, repeat or repetition, or time pressure?
product 7 times in a 30-second ad.
What is it?
I
You always, you hear the product 7 times. You always hear it. What's the answer?
Um,
Mm. You always hear the word every time, every day. What is it? It's repetition. It's repeat. Because you always hear it. The answer for letter D is repetition. Okay, not letter C, repetition. What number is repetition? Number 4. Okay. Repetition is next number. What's next?
uh, some friends are going outdoors. They are all wearing the same sticks. Is is group pressure.
What number are you?
D.
Some friends are playing outdoors. They are all wearing the same sneakers. So the answer is group pressure. Okay, correct. That is number 1. Group pressure. What's next? B and C. What's your answer?
Young people are sitting outdoors. They are lying. The sun is shining. I
Shining.
don't know this sentence minutes.
Where? Young people are cycling outdoors. They're laughing. The sun is shining.
Uh, it's at Westerns
Hmm?
in
Association.
something.
Yeah, okay. So it is association. And then the letter B, summer vacations and next week. Backpacks are half price this week. What is your answer?
It's time. It's time. Time. Precious.
Yes, correct. So letter B is time pressure. Okay, so you already know. What are the 5 techniques used in each ad below? So read the text again. What are the other words for the following words below? Example number 1, advertising. So advertising is also mean like this, ad and advertiser. They are the same. How about number 2, decide?
Decide. Decision.
Okay, correct. So decide is decision. How about producer?
Product.
Huh? Product.
Product.
And then 4, repeat.
Repeat. I don't know this.
Repetition.
repetition,
Okay, so repeat, repetition, they are just the same. Similar word or same word. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Do you have any questions, Lily?
no, I don't have any question.
Okay, so that's all for today's class and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Bye
Lily.
bye.